that impeachment where they impeach you, I won't come back because I know why they impeach you. You they very stingy. Even people tell me, I they think saying I made them impeach you. Now pitch or impeach they do you. Which one they do you?
They remove me. Is that correct?
Now remove.
No be say
but not true say you they stingy. Because no, I don't hear say you know they share money.
No be stingy. There are people. There's difference between stingy and what they call prudence and accountability in managing public affairs. Okay, make I tell you, I don't talk before. They impeach me for 3 things. Number 1, office will be my office for governor. Will be my own office, so you hear me say before. They born and before I come, something happened in born. The house where they live, that be number 2. Something happened again. That office, yes. They had a problem. Some people just come. When I begin, that office, they get the budget where they approve to repair that office. 298 million naira. When I come and say we no get money. So I say, Oga, leave this office, make I take my hand to repair. It cost me 43,200,000.
From 298
million. It cost me 3,200,000. They say, I know do a group process. I say, wait, they order new table, but they get one governor where don't pass there. Where get table where they go keep somewhere. I say, no table, na table. Make you bring this table. Police are here now. Na table, we go take walk. Now it be the first offense.
Shebi, when I talk, when
second
I tell
offense.
Oh, Your Excellency, hold on. When I talk, say you they stingy.
People
they look me. People they look me like say I just accuse you. Oh, now they see I'm now.
Not be stingy. Not be stingy. Not be stingy. We don't get money. We don't get money. That's not be stingy. Number 2.
No, now how they see them?
Not be stingy. Number 2, the house where they live, where they call government house. The budget said they go do everything, including buy. It go cost 486 million to repair the house. I did everything with 81 million. They go the other bed. They said they're importing bed from outside. They're doing that. I said, I live for car. Person fit do bed for no bed in a bed. Not be for somebody to sleep. Even if you bring things when they go make you sleep. Even if they bring mattress for you, you no go sleep. So may they do bed here. I go to one man where they do bed there. He did the bed. And I was sleeping in it till I left.
You sleep well?
Well, very well. I
don't appreciate this man.
So they can't join in that number 2. They build what they call presidential lodge. Every state for Nigeria get presidential lodge for their state. So they award the contract in my place for almost 1 billion. So I stop and say, President no live in Oka. What would they build house for? They say, I said, no.
How much was that one?
Almost 1 billion. They don't give that. I said, bring the money. We are not building house for president. President no go live for Oka. You know, that time, after I stopped that one, President Obasanjo said he must come to Oka. They say he was not the I said, no. Mr. President, you won't come to Oka. Now you be president. Come in the morning, go in the evening. You know, they don't need to sleep. You get plane. But he said he will sleep. I said, okay. Since you come and sleep, me, I get house. Under my culture, the big man come your house, you come out.
You leave the house for
Yes. So I said, he stayed 3 days. I leave my own lodge. I said, come and stay here. Me, I go outside. When you go, come back. And that's what we did. And it was working. Number 3 item was say, are they safe? I said, from day 1. You know, for Nigerian constitution, not safe, you know. You get like motor park. Anything where you get, you share.
For Nigerian constitution?
Quote me, there's no place in our constitution where they say saving. Everything must be shared. But I called my people and said, this money where we they get for oil for everything, not be for only this generation. It's for future, our children yet unborn. So anywhere we get money for this state, we go take 5% push side. They say no. Say never do people where they are. So I said they say even some people say waiting when the children come anything they see. I said when me I go save. So these 3 items come make them say make I come out. But when the judges hear my case, they can't bring me back. This man must come back.
God go bless those judges.
So he not be stingy.
You see,
he's not stingy. I go talk about stingy when we the end.
Your Excellency,
he's not stingy. Public money must be managed for public good. Whoever find himself in office, it is by grace of God. If you mismanage that office, you are abusing grace of God.